You know what I don't like? I don't like heavily edited gear review videos where the person's really uncomfortable. Is it a coffee kit? Is it a gun kit? Surprise! Regular old hipster. No, I'm not. It's an STI 2011, the comp and a flashlight. But we're here to talk about coffee. So let's grind some coffee. Let's make some river coffee. We've got some MSR products. We've got a large MSR canister. All right, we're gonna fire up our next stove in line. This is the PocketRocket Deluxe stove kit. We're gonna screw this thing in. Yeah, it worked! Look at that! I've never had a stove where the lighter worked first time go. Let's go get some more water. So we got two MSR stoves, ultralight and what do we call it, the PocketRocket? So this is this right here. This one is for this. Right? Hitting rolling boil, leaving it there for 20 to 30 seconds. There's nothing that's gonna survive there. It's gonna hurt you. And if it does, just think about it as like it's your probiotic. You know what I mean? So now, boiling water here. I'll turn that off. And then I'll take my 2 bags, throw it straight in on top. Get a good stir stick type situation going on here. Push that down. Let your coffee steep, and you're gonna sit and let it steep for at least 2 minutes before 1 liter of coffee will be consumable with these. I spent like 2 years developing this instant coffee. It's a long process. I think it's the best instant coffee on the market. Of course, I'm biased. So you're gonna need two full bags of your instant. You're gonna need a little stir stick. Let's try this one and see how it is. So, overall stove assessment. This guy boils water much faster. That doesn't surprise me. It's got a bigger burner. This guy's a little bit slower. It's lighter. That's about right. 2 to 3 coffee bags per liter. 2 to 3 instant coffees per liter. Faster boil times. This stove, slower boil times this stove. This has a little bit more weight. This is less weight. So if you're going light, light, light all the way through, I think it's the MSR PocketRocket kit with instant coffee. It's got everything you need. Start to finish, light to heavy. That's all I got.
Where can they find this stuff at?
You can find all this stuff on blackriflecoffee.com. Most of the time, the instant sticks are out of stock, so I would highly suggest you get those before they go out of stock. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't, feel free to leave a negative comment. You know, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. It's not like I give a shit.